I'm Anna Cofone, Global Creative Advocate.
My name's Adam Garland, Global Advocate for Authentic Beauty Concept. I'm going to share a little bit about my journey into the world of hairdressing.
I'm sure many of you will be thinking, what's in a session kit?
Today we are going to recreate the Bel Canto hair wrap.
One of the looks that we did at Paris Fashion Week.
Inspired by the hair that I create for Alison Goldfrapp.
Very goth coquette, very on trend. We are on to our rapid fire round.
We are answering your most asked questions about hair.
Go on.
Another reason I like working with enhancing water is that it's also a face mist.
I absolutely love this product. It's been a game changer.
Or I can come in right at the end and give it a very fine light mist just to control any of those loose flyaways. Board 1 is complete.
Stay tuned.
And don't forget to subscribe. If you've got any questions, drop them into the comments below.